Hello everyone, welcome to my video tutorial. Today I'll show you how can you become a curator on the Subgraph network. So the curator is signaling by staking amount of GRT into the subgraph that you like so that the indexer can pick it up and you will share an amount from the query. So to get started, you go to the Graph website and go to product, go to Graph Explorers. You need to connect to your MetaMask wallet, and I am sure that you already have GRT token in your wallet. And in my case, I will switch it to the Arbitrum Network to minimize the fee. And if you are wonder how to switch to the Arbitrum Network and add it into your MetaMask, you can go back and watch my previous video in the description below. I also have link to it. So after you connect your MetaMask, you may search on your favorite project that you want to signal to. In my case, I want to go for pull together and press signal. Here is a place that you may input the amount that you want to signal. I want to signal all of my available tokens. And be aware the risk of Curator, because anyone can deploy the subgraph. So be sure that you check all the information related to the subgraph that you want to stage, and always check the latest document to learn more and read through the risk that is indicated here. After you specify the amount that you want to curate, you need to allow the signal contract to able to withdraw your token from your wallet into the graph. So I press signal, and it will need to pay a little bit amount of gas fee, but it's good because I use the L2. It will just a little only. Then now in the final step, I press signal and confirm. The transaction is confirmed. You can see it on the AB scan, and you are now a successfully curator. If you have any comment or question, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you and see you in the next video.